Hi there, I'm Damien. Today I'd like to share some ideas about a particular IELTS speaking card. Today's card is: describe something you own that you want to replace. You should address the following points: what it is, where it is, how you got it, and why you want to replace it. So as usual, I'm going to give you 3 ideas. Number 1, maybe an old laptop. It's usually sat at home on my desk. The last one I bought 5 years ago with my savings, and it's become very slow. It frequently crashes, and I can't support the latest software I need for my work. Idea number 2, maybe a worn out sofa. So it's located in the living room. It was a hand-me-down from my parents when I moved into my first apartment. And nowadays it's very uncomfortable. The cushions are sagging and it no longer matches the decor of my home. And maybe idea number 3, an old smartphone. So usually in my pocket or on my bedside table. I bought this last one 3 years ago on a Black Friday sale. And nowadays the battery life is poor, the screen is cracked, and it doesn't have enough storage for all the apps and photos I have. So now we have a few ideas. As usual, it's time for a sample answer with a good range of grammar and vocabulary. So let's start by, I've picked to talk about my old sofa. So today I'd like to talk about something I own that I want to replace. My old sofa. This piece of furniture has been a staple in my living room for several years now. I got this as a hand-me-down from my parents when I moved into my first apartment. It was an extremely generous gift and served me well for a long time. The sofa is located in the heart of my living room where I spend most of my time relaxing, watching TV and hosting friends. However, over the years, the sofa has seen better days. The once firm and comfortable cushions have now become saggy and uncomfortable. The fabric is worn out, and despite my best efforts to clean and maintain it, it no longer looks presentable. Moreover, the sofa no longer matches the decor of my home. I've recently redecorated my living room with a modern theme, and the old worn-out sofa just doesn't fit anymore. I've been considering replacing it with a new one that is not only stylish but also provides better comfort and support. A new sofa would not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of my living room, but also make it more comfortable and inviting space for me and my guests. In conclusion, while the old sofa has sentimental values and has served me well, it's time for an upgrade. I look forward to finding a replacement that aligns with my current taste and provides the comfort I need. So there we go, another 2-minute speech that includes a decent range of grammar and vocab that should allow a high bounce score. The grammar and vocab, as usual, will be listed in the transcript of the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more IELTS videos, or visit my website PassIELTSPlus.com to book a one-to-one lesson. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.